Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this one, I'm going to talk about the software update slightly got delayed in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. This is a question which I've been getting from plenty of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic about the recent software update. So which is the first software update for the Realme GT Neo 2. So which has been released on the I think 20th of October. You can clearly see in the update version date as well, 20th of October, and today's the date is about close to 23rd of October, and I'm getting plenty of comments asking me to make a video and review the update. As you can see, these are the comments which I'm trying to get, but unfortunately my unit still I did not receive the latest update, as you can see, which I was supposed to receive, but still I did not receive. So usually in the Realme phones, they'll take some time, close to maybe from the start of the release date to the maybe 10 days or 5 to 10 days of time. It will take some time to get all the users reflect. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, how many of you got this latest update in the Realme GT Neo 2 and how many did not get the update. So in this way we'll be able to get to know like how many percentage of the people got the update and how much of percentage people didn't get the update. As again, this is the latest update which started to come on the 20th of October, which started to roll out on the day, but still we did not get it. The size is of close to 284 MB. This is not a huge big update, I would say, but still there are a couple of things I'm really curious about to testing, which are related to the camera as well. As you can see, there's something related to the camera, optimize the sharpness and everything. So color performance in the front camera scenes. So these are the things which I need to do the immediate testing, because few of the users, they want to buy this phone, but they are actually waiting for this kind of improvements to be reflected after the update. But unfortunately, I did not receive the update in my phone, so I cannot test that. Even the touch, something related to the optimize the touch firmware as well, they did mention something like that. So I need to check the touch sampling rate as well. So all friends, still I did not get the update, and once after I get the update, then definitely I'll be able to do the videos as soon as possible for you all. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to stay tuned for more updates and try to check the playlist for more details about the Realme GT Neo 2. So don't worry, be patient. As soon as I get the update, I'll definitely upload the video, and definitely this is going to take some time. So this is not only in this phone, even in the previous Realme phones as well, it will definitely take some time. So I do have a lot of experience with the previous Realme phones. That's why I'm trying to mention. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.